Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Are we meeting for the first time? This is Gomsulachi. And to my OGs, you're welcome to my channel once again. Long time no video. Today I want to show you something. I started poultry farming, subsistence, small scale poultry farming. Let me show you. Yes, here they are. These ones are exactly 2 days old. They are 2 days old. 2 days old, 2 days old, 2 days old. And this is actually my brooding pen. Is it called pen? Brooding scoop, right? Okay. So this is my brooding place. They are 2 days old. Rate them, please. Senior farmers. If you're a senior farmer, please rate this output. Okay. These are older ones. They are exactly 5 weeks and 2 days at this moment. Hello once again. Festive period is fast approaching. What plans do you have for all the chickens that the house will eat during that time? Or do you intend to make a business out of this season? Come, let's learn simple tips that we can use to raise some chickens this season. Okay? Alright. So let's share some simple ideas you can use to raise a household chicken farm or poultry farm, or subsistence poultry farm, or small scale poultry farm. You can make your bookings in numbers, like in 5, 10, 20, as the case may be. Okay, now the basic things you need to set in place for the chicks. You need to set the brooding scoop and then the permanent pen. Okay, so the scoop, the chicken will be needing warmth in that scoop, ventilation, and then access to clean water, and then food. That's the chicken feed. Okay, the number one option I want to suggest, if you are raising in a little quantity like in 5 or 10, you can brood your chicks. So for the ideas for the brooding scoops, you can use a wooden box, but make sure that the box is ventilated. Okay, you can also get a big carton, like a sizable carton of empty carton of fridge or motorcycle. Go to all those people selling motorcycles. You always see waste cartons, big cartons that can always maybe amend or adjust with sellotape. Maybe use sticks to form pillars at the edges, and then you can use it to brood your chicks. Okay, you can also carve out a little portion in your, let's say, garage, maybe you may need help of a carpenter to come and use wood to carve out a little portion in your garage or in your store so you can brood them in there. Okay, then the permanent pen right now, you need to get it ventilated and secure from rodents like uh, bush rats and all that, so that they will go and be attacking the chicks. Okay, so if you learned anything from this video, please like, comment and share this video. Above all, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, subscribe. Okay, I will really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching up to this moment. Don't forget to map out plans for your family or even for yourself, all the Tachanson and Rachanson this season. Okay, don't beg for chicken meat. Okay, thank you, bye bye.